Throughout history, legend speaks of an all-seeing eye, watching, observing, and uncovering hidden truths. In the world of cybersecurity, we have our own all-seeing eye, and its name, Nmap. Welcome to SecOps Syndicate. I'm Tony, your cybersecurity guide, channeling the wisdom of Nmap to uncover hidden threats and secure the digital realm. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nmap to scan networks, find vulnerabilities, and become a god of ethical hacking. But remember, this is for educational purposes only, and I'm using my own home lab for all demonstrations. Never scan networks you don't own without permission. Before using Nmap, we run IP route show to check our routing table to ensure we are connecting to the correct local area network and IP address. This helps us confirm the right interface is being used, verify our default gateway, and avoid misconfigured routes that could affect our scans. By doing this first, we prevent connectivity issues and get more accurate scan results. Now let's talk about one of the most reliable ways to detect active devices on a local network. When scanning within a local network, firewalls might block traditional ping methods like ICMP requests. That's where the PR flag comes in. It uses the Address Resolution Protocol, or ARP, to check if a device is online. Unlike ICMP pings, which can be blocked, ARP requests are a fundamental part of how networks function. So unless the device is turned off completely or isolated, it will respond. To quickly discover live hosts on your subnet, you can use this command. Now that we've identified active devices on the network using Nmap, let's take a step further by saving the results to a file. This is useful for documentation, further analysis, or feeding into another tool. Nmap allows us to export scan results in various formats. For a simple list of live IPs, we can use the ON or OG flags to save our findings. This filters the results, grabbing only the IPs of the devices that responded, and saves them to activeips.txt. Having a clean list of live IPs makes it easier to automate tasks, like running further scans or checking for vulnerabilities. So now, instead of manually searching through output, you can generate a neat list of active devices in seconds. Now let's take it up a notch. Instead of just checking if a machine is online, we want to know which ports are open and which services are running. SynScan is stealthier than a full TCP scan and shows open, closed, and filtered ports. This is the go-to scan for ethical hackers. It's fast, effective, and less noisy than a full Connect scan. SynScan is useful for reconnaissance, but might also get blocked by firewalls. So we'll also add F-flag. It fragments packets to bypass filters. The IL flag will let us use the IPs that we have saved as active. Now, let's get detailed information about the operating systems and services running on a machine. The SV flag detects service versions. Knowing what version a system is running can help in penetration testing. If it's outdated, it might be vulnerable. So the port column shows the port numbers. The state column indicates whether a port is open, closed, or filtered, and the service and version show what service is running on that port. Nmap has built-in scripts to detect vulnerabilities. We use the script option to scan for potential security issues. We can also use decoy IPs to hide a real IP address. This makes the scan look like it's coming from multiple random IPs instead of just one. Let's go full aggressive mode. This will scan everything, fingerprint the system, and even run scripts to detect vulnerabilities. The A flag does OS detection, service detection, trace route, and scripts. If you're scanning a single host and want avoided detection, Nmap provides timing options. To adjust scan speed, 0 equals slowest, 5 equals fastest. The faster the scan is set, the louder and more obvious it gets. So only use it in ethical hacking labs or with permission. Understanding network layers can help us scan more effectively. Let's compare a Layer 3 ICMP echo request scan and a Layer 4 TCP ACK scan. And that's your complete beginner's guide to Nmap. Now you know how to find live hosts, scan open ports, detect services, and even find vulnerabilities. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want a deep dive into a specific scan. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more security content. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.